Welcome to the assembly instructions video of this bicycle manufactured by Little Olive. Thanks for your purchase of this bicycle. Insert the handlebar in the front side of the cycle frame. Tighten the handlebar through the nut placed on the top of the handlebar. Remove both the screws. Place the chain cover as shown in the video and tighten the chain cover using the same screws. Insert the wheels into the bar. Fix it using a washer and pin. Bend the other end of the pin as shown in the video. Repeat the same to complete the other training wheel. Remove the nut and place the clip and then the training wheels. Tighten the nut back again as shown. Clip the training wheel cover. Place the pedals and tighten it using a spanner. Place the front wheel on the cycle frame and tighten it using a spanner. Insert the brake cable in the slot as shown in the video. Pull the brake lever and insert the brake cable. Pass the brake cable through the slot and tighten it with the nut bolt right below it. Repeat the same process with the other brake. Insert the bell on the right side of the handlebar using the given screw. Remove the rear brake. Place the bottle holder frame first and then the mudguard and tighten the bolt back. Place the bottle holder stand and tighten it using the same nut bolt. Remove the front brake. Insert the basket bracket and slide it into the mudguard. Place the basket on the bracket and tighten it using the given nut bolts. To install the seat, insert the seat through the backrest. Place the nut bolt and tighten it using a spanner. Insert the finished seat into the cycle frame and tighten it. Finally, slide in the grip into the handlebar as shown in the video. Now this little Olive bicycle is ready. Kindly contact our customer support on WhatsApp at 910-287-6747 in case any issues.